Hello everyone. Today I will explain the assembly of electric rails. This is the rail, belt and pulley. Bead track, lock buckle, motor, transmission box. Let's start the assembly now. Measure the length of the belt needed for the transmission box. Push this end of the belt to this position. Then pull it out from here. Count how many sections there are. 30 sections. Then from this point, measure the length of the rail. Install the first belt clip at this location. Then again from this point, measure the length of the rail. Count again. After counting to 30 sections, cut it off. Install another belt clip at this location. Thread it through from this end. Thread this end through the transmission box. Install the belt clip at this location. It's important to note that this one needs to be inserted first. The belt clip on this side should be installed afterwards. Similarly on this side, thread it through the transmission box. Install the belt clip. Attach the lock buckle. For every meter, use 8 bead tracks. Place 4 on each side. Insert this pin into the trolley. Test if it slides smoothly. Now, start installing the pulley. Tighten the lock buckle. Turn the motor over. When you turn it to this position, lift up this gray latch. Then continue to turn. You will hear the sound of it clicking into place. The motor is now assembled.